And now viewers, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Ethiopia on the second leg of his three-nation tour. This is after he was conferred with the country's highest civilian honor, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia. Now, this visit is being undertaken at the invitation of Ethiopian Prime Minister and marks, in fact, Prime Minister Modi's first ever visit to the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. Now, during the visit, the Prime Minister received the prestigious honor in recognition of his significant contribution made to strengthen bilateral relations between India and Ethiopia. In fact, this visit marks an important milestone in India-Ethiopia relations and underscores India's growing engagement with Africa. On this, Prime Minister Modi said that India has always believed that knowledge liberates and education forms the foundation of any nation. He expressed pride in the fact that one of the most significant contributions to India-Ethiopia relations has come in from Indian teachers. In fact, he also noted that Ethiopia's rich culture attracted Indian educators who had the privilege of shaping several generations in the country. He also added that even today, many Indian faculty members continue to serve in Ethiopian universities and institutions of higher education. He also said that the future belongs to these partnerships based on vision and trust. He said that India, together with Ethiopia, remains committed to strengthening such partnerships to address the evolving global challenges and to create new opportunities.
करने के लिए अभी मुझे ग्रेट ऑनर निशान ऑफ इथियोपिया के रूप में इस देश का सर्वोच्च सम्मान प्रदान किया गया है। विश्व की अति प्राचीन और समृद्ध सभ्यता द्वारा सम्मानित किया जाना मेरे लिए बहुत गौरव की बात है। मैं सभी भारतवासियों की ओर से इस सम्मान को पूरी विनम्रता और कृतज्ञता से ग्रहण करता हूं। यह सम्मान उन अनगिनत भारतीयों का है जिन्होंने हमारी साझेदारी को आकार दिया।